I want to show you guys these peanut butter and chocolate overnight oats jars. They're a great alternative to the strawberry chia jars that we did the other day, and I normally make about 2 varieties, just because I don't only have them for breakfast. I have them as a filler meal or maybe after dinner. The macros for this one is 7 grams of carbs, 53 fat, and 17 grams of protein. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you find valuable information in this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I've got lots and lots of breakfast, lunch and dinner recipes, meal prep, and I also want to do a review on some carb manager recipes. So do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I've posted a new recipe. I'm also going to be doing a taste test of these. So let's get into the recipe now. You literally throw everything into a bowl. It is so quick and easy. And then I will do a taste test. To a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of Hemp Hearts or hemp seeds, then 1 tablespoon of black chia seeds and a tablespoon of natural unsweetened peanut butter. Then 2 tablespoons of Monkfruit sweetener, 1 tablespoon of Cacao Powder and 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and whisk that all together. You're looking for the consistency to be a little runny, and if you think yours looks too thick, you can add a little bit of water. Remember, this recipe is for 1 jar, so once your peanut butter and chocolate overnight oats mixture is fully combined, add it to the jar, then garnish with slivered almonds, or you can also add sliced or desiccated coconut. The overnight oats will need to set overnight, and it will be good in the fridge for about 4 to 5 days. These jars were part of my meal prep this week, and I just wanted to show you the strawberry and chia jar that we did in the other video versus the peanut butter overnight oats. They're virtually the same amount, and of course they both have chia in there, so they are going to make you full for quite some time. And I'm going to do a taste test as promised. I'll try not to show my delight, but they are really yummy. They've got texture in there, they've got the slivered almonds in there and the hemp hearts. Well, I do hope you get to try this recipe, and let me know if you would like me to showcase any other breakfast jar recipes or maybe non-egg breakfasts. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe and be well.